Hey guys, welcome back to Mom Likely. I hope you guys enjoyed your holiday if you guys did celebrate. This week's cleaning motivation is going to be all about me tackling my kitchen. I did have it on my to-do list to tackle the kitchen and the living room, but I ended up getting called into work halfway through, so what I had to do was go to work for a couple hours, and then in the evening I finished off by cleaning out my refrigerator. If you guys are tuning in for the first time, my name is Shawna. I post weekly videos usually on a Thursday, so if you guys love cleaning motivation, I would love for you guys to subscribe and check out some of my playlists listed down below. So let's get into today's video.
I know it's a little bit too much for sure. So cold, but we're always coming back for more. Egos in this wicked game, it's all for sure. Oh, I've got you. If we figured out what it's all about, takes a second and then we're back it again. Coaster ride for the triggered minds, but I don't ever want us to stop it. Go ahead, to let me smile from for all I care. Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave ya, I don't wanna sabotage. Up on the floor, we know how to push the buttons to the core. I've got you. If we figured out.
I don't know about you, but no matter where I hide my Sharpies in the house, my kids always manage to find them, and so when they're doing crafts and stuff at the table, it always marks up my table. Well, I found now that if you take a dry erase marker, you can color over that and it will get the stain right out. And I've tried this on multiple surfaces and it works.
Just wanna stay close, don't say that. Ain't gonna leave ya, I don't wanna sabotage. You're a
I shut my eyes, trying not to speak, pretend that I'm dreaming. I smell your breath, not listening, but I still hear you screaming. Going under. One step away till you hear what I'm saying. Sounds like thunder. And the clouds are closing in. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed. Losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold. making me shiver. He's not like you, don't want him to. He's more like the river, growing stronger. When we're alone, there's no you in the picture. Paint by numbers isn't how I want it to. You see, I know this, but the last days in real life I've noticed losing focus, breaking up from our life as we know it. If someone had told me that I will take off and find something greener, greener than gold.
It is raining outside and we're still in bed. We don't wanna wake up yet, no. 'Cause I just wanna stay here right next to you, baby, yeah. 'Cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. We can't stay in our beds all day, 'cause we both deserve it all. Maybe we can sleep in and skip work today. Then I'll make you scrambled eggs. We got no plans for the day. Let's stay inside and play video games. No. 'Cause we both deserve this time. All work, no play, it's like we're running away. We can't stay in our beds all day,
I wanted to ask you guys real quick, do you guys have any cool ways to store your potatoes or vegetables in the refrigerator or on the counter? I need a way to store these potatoes. Also, if you're enjoying the video so far, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and let me know if you guys have other video suggestions down below.
Leave your shirt on the floor. There's no reason to get up. There's a print on your cheek from my wrinkly pillow. There's a smell from the view of the window. Your lipstick's a glint from your toothpaste. Spend time counting marks on your fingers. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time. We have breakfast in bed. Pour the coffee and kiss me. We are both skipping work. Oh, there's a bird singing loud in the palm trees on the beach, laying next to your building, and the ocean is singing even louder. Let's lay here and waste our time. I'm gonna love you like crazy. Waste our time. Let's lay here and waste our time. I can see what we are, don't know where we belong. Wanna know what you're thinking, wanna know if something's missing. Started stories before, but they ended up short. Get me up to higher places, want you to fill my pages. Is this for real or is it just a fantasy? Are we from now or is it really meant to be? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story? Are you still in my arms when we've read out all the parts of this story? Far past the epilogue, will I still be in your heart in this story?
Thank you guys for coming along with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the quality aspects of today's video and all the new changes. I would love to hear and appreciate any feedback that you guys have on today's video and audio quality. So I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.